You should know how to keep your furniture clean because it will get dirty. If you want to find the best upholstery steam cleaner to keep your furniture looking great for years to come, watching the video to find the best one for you. Number 1, most popular. Duprey Neat Steam Cleaner. Duprey Large Capacity Steam Cleaner should do the trick. Thanks to the combination of a portable, cube-shaped unit containing an impressive 54-ounce water tank, 16-foot power cord, and 6.5-foot steam hose, the Duprey steamer is capable of delivering 50 minutes of continuous steam with ample maneuverability to reach furniture and surfaces throughout the home. The wheels on this steam cleaner allow for smooth rolling from room to room. Water in the tank heats to 275 degrees Fahrenheit in only 7 minutes, producing steam that kills 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and pathogens in upholstery, bedding, and other household surfaces. Number 2. Wagner Spraytech C9000054 M Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaning machine is well suited for sanitizing car upholstery, floor mats, dashboards, and other surfaces. Featuring a canister design, this steamer includes an 8-foot steam hose for accessing those hard-to-reach places, as well as 11 attachments, including multiple nozzles and brushes. A built-in carrying handle facilitates portability for the 9.75-pound unit. The water tank holds up to 40 ounces of distilled water. A 1500-watt heating element heats the water to 290 degrees Fahrenheit for a maximum steam pressure of 55 pounds per square inch, SI. Number 3. McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. Thanks to its canister design, this steamer houses a large capacity water tank that delivers up to 90 minutes of continuous steam cleaning power. The tank holds 48 ounces of regular tap water, and it heats to more than 200 degrees Fahrenheit in under 12 minutes. With 20 included accessories, this unit can take on a multitude of house cleaning tasks. In addition to refreshing upholstery, this steamer works on ceramic tile, sealed flooring, grout, and more. It measures 15.55 inches by 12.13 inches by 10.5 inches and weighs 10.78 pounds. Number 4. Light N Easy Multifunctional Steam Mop Steamer. Health-minded users who avoid cleaning with harsh chemicals will appreciate that this versatile steam cleaner is capable of tackling stains, odors, grime, and messes on a wide variety of surfaces, including upholstery, with nothing more than plain tap water. Use this multifunction steam cleaner as a floor mop, then quickly modify it into a handheld steamer with the hose and brush attachments for cleaning fabric and leather upholstery as well as clothing. In its fully assembled floor mop configuration, the Light N Easy Steam Cleaner measures 46.4 inches tall by 11.8 inches wide and 6.8 deep, and it weighs 6.3 pounds. Number 5. Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop Steamer. This steam cleaning unit from Bissell is designed with versatility in mind. In its fully assembled form, it functions as a heavy-duty floor mop. Alternatively, users can detach the canister and deploy it along with the extension hose and attachments for steam cleaning upholstery, pet beds, bathroom and kitchen fixtures, and a variety of other surfaces. Water in the 12-ounce tank heats up in a mere 30 seconds, producing steam that kills up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. This steam mop measures 13.2 inches by 11.4 inches by 44.7 inches and weighs 10.6 pounds.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.